Welcome to the Fantasy Update Log number 3. It has been a while, but Fantasy is finally back with a new developer log. We got 4 points to cover: network changes, visual changes, future progression, and what's next. The Mirror Network library was updated from 67.0.4 to 73.1.2 to 73.3.2 to 76.0.0. I went through a lot of versions, but Mirror is currently going through a lot of bug fixes and performance updates, and I very much enjoy every single new release I can get my hands on. Entities no longer use network transforms, they now use a custom network agent I made. This greatly increases performance for both client and server, and reduces a lot of bandwidth. This also fixed some weird buffering where the network transform would take half a second to even start moving. Being able to track some basic network statistics is very useful. Therefore, I added a small menu that can be enabled to monitor the very basic bytes coming in and out from the client and/or server. All these changes have led to great reduction in bandwidth usage, as well as performance improvements that I'm very happy about. The style of the entities has greatly changed since the last devlog, now available in an even more blocky version than before. I am not amazing at modeling or animations at all, so simplifying entities in a way I'm more comfortable with removes a lot of complexities I ran into with more complex models. Materials and shaders also got a little visit, as before this change I was working on toon cell shading, but I scrapped this as I figured out the direction I wanted to go. With this, I currently simplified the whole game to a set of 29 colors. I'm still experimenting a lot, so this will most likely change. This update was all about simplifying things and being able to dive deeper into the game. These changes will definitely help out in the long run. I took some time and went through the project and deleted everything I wasn't using. As well as all prefabs were remade, and all entities are now prefab variants, which is a great deal as it has made so many things easier. I'm currently in the middle of redoing some of the UI elements to move away from the transparent black boxes and more towards non-transparent boxes. Since the UI is not supposed to be transparent in the first place, I felt it gave away a false feel, so I wanted to change this ASAP. As mentioned in an earlier log, I wanted to tackle the combat system a bit and improve it. So this is something I'm looking forward to do. And with that, I will also start adding some more animations to the characters and entities. A somewhat big feature that is missing is actually a settings menu, so I will be working on this soon as well. Thank you for being around, and maybe soon I will start a playtest for everyone to participate in. This would really help out to find bugs and get first-hand feedback from the community. This was Update Log 3. Have a nice day.